Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's session, we learn how to set up assembly orders and assembly setups in Dynamic 365. So here is your simple step. Just go and first search with assembly the setup menu. Okay, before creating any assembly order you have to first create your assembly setup. Okay, then only you can use this feature in a dynamic 365. So you have to search assembly setup. Here you can see assembly setup administrator. Just click here. Here you can see the complete setup page. Okay, in a first screen you can see the stock warning option. You have to enable it, so if there is any negative inventory it will alert you whenever you are trying to create any order. Okay, here you can also mention your default location for order. Suppose in my company there is a two location, one in Gujarat and another one is Hyderabad. Okay, and we are creating always assembly in our Gujarat office, so we can also set our default location as a HO. So whenever you are creating any assembly order, it will by default create in HO location, or you can modify at a entry level. Okay, you can also copy your comment when posting and all thing. Okay, now you have to create assign a number series. Okay, in a previous session or in our number series session we learn how to create a number series in a dynamic 365. Okay, so you just have to simple setup. Here you have to assign your number series for assembly order number. You can also quote your assembly order. You can also make your blanket assembly order, or you can post assembly order number series. Okay, so now we have to mention our assembly order number and posted assembly order number for our use. Okay, so here if you already have a number you will just select from here. If you don't have any number series, just create something like suppose we have to create AARD assembly order from 1/4/2005, AORD underscore 000001, and this is your default number series. Here you can mention for posted assembly order. You can also create a new AORD P for posted assembly order 1/4/2025, AORD P underscore 000001. So it's your number series setup. So here your assembly setup is completed in your system. Now you can easily use your assembly production order in Dynamics 365. Thank you for watching. Keep follow us for regular updates. Thank you.